Hey there, this is Rick McCamey. I'm thrilled to present this outstanding opportunity to you because we truly believe it can change how you approach your health and aging. This isn't your traditional health supplement marketing pitch, but I want to make sure I cover each aspect clearly to showcase how our unique anti aging supplement program can be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, listen up. Our revolutionary anti aging supplement is the result of cutting edge scientific research and combines the power of advanced nanotechnology with superior quality natural nutrients. The difference between our supplement and others available in the market lies in three significant aspects. One, it provides a comprehensive and highly absorbable nutritional foundation that protects your health today and throughout your lifespan. Two, it doesn't just fill nutritional gaps, but offers superior anti aging benefits. Three, it's easy to take with convenient packaging, ensuring your consistent daily intake. Sounds impressive, right? But I'm not just here to tell you about it. I'm here to show you. Let's dive straight into the details of this breakthrough anti aging supplement program. Our primary goal is to assist you in maintaining excellent health, combating aging, and boosting your daily nutritional intake. Relying solely on a healthy diet or a multivitamin is no longer enough. With this revolutionary supplement, you can look and feel younger, minimize chances of disease, dodge potential health downturns, and boost your energy levels. Imagine being able to keep up with the grandkids, feeling vital and energetic every day, and aging gracefully, naturally, and healthily. If you've been dealing with aging, declining health, nutritional deficiencies, or simply feeling tired and run down all the time, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Our anti aging supplement program is specifically designed to combat the effects of aging and maintain optimal health for years to come. This is not a shortcut. It's a scientifically backed approach to health that supports your body's natural processes and promotes longevity. With this program, you can experience a youthful glow and confidence from enhanced skin health. Enjoy greater energy and vitality for your favorite hobbies and activities, and protect your DNA and cells. Don't let the fear of losing independence and vitality due to poor health and aging hold you back any longer. Here's your chance to take control of your health. Boost your nutritional intake. This product is currently available at a discounted price, and you can get one by going to mikamehealth.com and form Choices Guide and enter your email. Besides getting this guide, you will receive a link as my preferred customer to order at the discounted price. And you can get a multivitamin supplement for yourself or a loved one at a 20% discount. Mikami Health and Fitness is so confident the multivitamin supplement will transform your overall health. We're offering a 100% money back guarantee, which is unheard of with the multivitamin supplement, so you can stop relying solely on a healthy diet. Stop trusting in miracle weight loss pills and stop buying traditional supplements that never give you results. The multivitamin supplement is designed to support anti aging efforts so you can do more of what you love and worry less about your health. And health conscious individuals have been using it for everything from boosting their energy to supporting their immune system to gaining a youthful glow now. And the best part is, they're spending less time worrying about their health and getting better results. Because unlike other supplements, you can enhance your health with the multivitamin supplement. you understand the importance of health. Consider enhancing your health more efficiently. So you might not be into supplements, but what about your parents, brother, sister, or spouse? Imagine the look on their face when they open a gift like this one and realize you saved them from potential health downturns. So wouldn't that be worth it? Take action now and get the best gift for health enthusiasts at a huge 20% discount. Stay healthy, stay young. Rick McConney.